This little guy is Paramecium. Paramecium is a single-celled organism called a protist. Protists, unlike bacteria and archaea, are eukaryotic. That means they have a distinct nucleus. Also, unlike single-celled algae, protists cannot make their own food, so they eat other organisms. For this reason, protozoa were once considered animals. Not only does Paramecium hunt for food, but it excretes, grows, and reproduces. There are many different types of protozoa, but Paramecium is a ciliated protozoa, characterized by the covering of short hair-like structures called cilia. The cilia move in wave-like patterns and are used like oars to propel the organism and help direct food particles into their mouths. Ciliates have cell membranes. It's like they're walls. The cytoplasm, or cell materials of these protozoa, is dotted with small pouches called vacuoles. Some vacuoles digest food, and other vacuoles expel water. As you can see from this video, there are two parameciums that are attached to each other. Typically, Paramecium reproduce by cell division, but these two are reproducing by conjugation. Basically, they're exchanging DNA. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll talk next time.